Hi, this is Keith here. In today's video, I am going to teach you about how I make my videos. So as you know me, most people like referring to me as the guy who makes videos not showing his face, recording his voice. Well, that's me, but today is different. Today here I am showing you my face. So I'm going to teach you exactly how I edit my videos, how I make those videos, and how they get so much views. So if you're wondering that is it possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face, well, the answer is yes, and I am the living proof. I've been making a lot of videos without showing my face, without even using my voice. I've been using all sorts of artificial voices to make my videos. So this is actually going to be a playlist. In fact, I have a lot of playlists. I've got the first playlist, which is the most top playlist I've ever created, which is about 50 plus videos. It teaches you about what is forex to very complex stuff. You should check it out. The second playlist I made is about Bitcoin. I never finished it. The third playlist about making money is never gonna end. And the playlist I'm currently working on is the how to start a blog. Okay, unfortunately, it's not everyone who's watching the playlist. The videos in the playlist are only getting about 20 views. That's all. Yeah, I'm wondering why. Yeah, but maybe when I post a video about how much money I make from my website, maybe that is when people start watching the videos in the playlist. But I don't think that will be soon. I'm going to do that later on. Yeah, but so that's it about the playlist. You should consider watching it. What's there is really works out. So this playlist I'm going to start is how to make videos on YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice, and without spending a lot of time. So I mentioned the reasons why I make those type of videos in the first video you see when you visit my. You might find that some of the old videos I made, the quality is very terrible, very bad. Yeah, but some of those videos actually got a lot of views. Okay, my videos where my face appears or my voice, none of them has passed uh 5k 5,000 views. Okay, I think my top videos with both my face and my voice only has about I think 1,500 views. Yeah, but the videos where there's no my face, there's no my voice, okay, they're really trending. Yeah, and the other one has got 20,000 views. The other one I think 20 or 21 or so. I'll drop links in the description. So this is it about this playlist. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to make money on YouTube. So don't worry about the YouTube requirements to make money. Okay, of course, to join the YouTube partner program, you need 1,000 subscribers. But I'm going to show you a way you can actually make money before reaching those requirements for YouTube. Okay, so whether it was 20 subscribers or 100, I am going to show you how you can actually make money without being monetized on YouTube. So a few weeks ago I started a new channel. Okay, I haven't been sharing that channel very much. I haven't been posting videos anywhere. Okay, so the channel currently has about I think 70 subscribers, and it has about a few videos. Yeah, and all the videos there they don't have my face either. Yeah, but the quality, they're kind of good. Yeah, so I also dropped the link in the description. So let me know if you have any other questions. Feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments. So this is me, Keith Renz. Yeah, I think it's bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, so before you leave this video, just want to say all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you get to be the first one to watch it. Okay, so this playlist, after watching this playlist, you're going to be guaranteed of making money every day, whether monetized or not. Okay, I have a lot of ways how to monetize everything, so everything is going to be in this playlist. So this playlist is going to have 30 plus videos, as well as how to start a blog is going to have 50 plus videos. So make sure that you subscribe. You should also consider joining the email list. Okay, and if you have anyone interested in making money on YouTube or on a website, feel free to share my channel. My goal is to help as many Zambians or Africans at large, even the world at large, to make use of the internet to make money. Okay, there are few people who do such videos here in Zambia, so should definitely subscribe to my channel if you really want to make money online by using your phone, your laptop, or anything which has got access to the internet. So this is it. Bye. Remember to share this video and remember to like this video and let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. This is Keith Rains.